Gee, can we talk about what I have here? I don't even like know the excitement that I have. Get in here. All right. We ready? I'm ready. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh my God, this is so soft. I don't even know. So this says, I don't even know how to pronounce that. Havasu? H-A-V-A-S-U? Cactus flower. Is this like their Lush? I've never, ever, ever had a Foxy before. But this color is beautiful. So that is my sample. I do know you get a sample. And then some Foxy cards. And this bad boy. And I also got a couple other things and I see my invoice. So I'm gonna kind of slide that away and make a big mess like usual. But what else is new if you've been with me for a while? All right, we'll come back to those because I want to see it. I haven't even opened it. I am so excited. So it comes in a little dust bag and I got a number 5, which is a B6. Oh my God. Ooh, I'm freaking out. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to do with myself. Okay. So I have never had one of these before, like ever. And I'm like dying. Oh my goodness. Like, yes. So I know what this is this time. At least I know what this is. Oh my goodness. I just want to sleep with this. Like, not in a bad way, but like just how soft it is. And like floppy. I totally think I am probably gonna put some like, I don't want to say cardstock, but maybe like to kind of stabilize the pockets a little bit. But I'm like dying. I don't even know where to start. Okay. So I got, I believe, the ballerina. I'm sure it says on my invoice. I got the same one as everybody else. Yes, ballerina slipper number 5, which is a B6, and it does 5 by 7. I got a 1.5 inch spine, 6 strands, plus, since I got this one, it has 1 extra centimeter of space. I got 2 card slots. I got white stitching, white elastic, and I didn't get any embossing because I really just wanted it to be this. I didn't want it to be like personalized to me. I just really wanted it to be just basic, just like me. It's fine. I feel like my nails even match. I don't even know what to start. Okay. Okay. Get it together here. So you have this big pocket. So is this the same? Because like, this feels, actually this feels softer, if that's possible. And this feels a little bit thicker. I don't know. These are both. I just, like, I know. Okay, get it together. Get it together. So yeah, you have the big pocket, and there's stitching all the way around. Then stitching down the side. Again, there's no reinforced spine, since, well, I guess it's in here, but like, I guess there is reinforced spine. It's in here. And so you can, I guess people restring them. So you can restring it. It gives you a hole here. I'm like, oh yeah, I know people are having problems with the elastic. So, nope, mine is good. I'm assuming when I get it fatter, it's perfectly fine. Like, it's loose here, which is good because when you start putting your stuff in, it's not gonna be loose for long, if you know what I mean. Yeah. So how? Okay, so they do glue this. So if you were to restrap, you have to cut your strings. That makes sense. And from my understanding, this is pretty normal to where it curls up because you obviously want things to be taut, right? I believe so. Yeah, so when I was doing my other TN haul, which I will link up here if I'm in the right area, and that's actually what it is, and it's not flipped and flopped and it's over here, that we'll figure it out. It's linked here, either to the right or to the left. So again, I got the card pocket. This is the sample. Can you just put the sample in the pocket? And then you have this crisscross, and then you have the back crisscross. Again, on the other side, you have the large back one that goes across. Then you have the second, and then you have the other card pocket. I have my other TN. Well, I think. Somewhere. At least I thought I did. Oh my gosh. It was under my papers. Like literally it's on my desk. I'm an idiot. So this is my other TN. So this is from Print Pressions, and this is my B6. So, I mean, identical sizes, except for one is rounded. Again, that's stuffed full of crap. But yeah, these are pretty much identical in size. Oh, actually it's not. It's a little bit taller in the Print Pressions because I have it right butted up against, and I kind of have it pushed. So it's the Print Pressions is just a hair taller and longer. I mean, just a hair. That's probably what, a centimeter? Let's go ahead and grab one of these. I use this one the most. Is that sad that that's the one I use the most, is my tutorials. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm freaking out. I should just have this in the front because this is the one I use. Fits perfectly. Oh, I lied. It doesn't fit perfectly. These are too big? Or is that normal? Can someone tell me if that's normal? So it's all the way at the bottom here, but it's pushed up. It could be cut wrong by me. That is very possible. Let me grab another one. Okay, so that's at the bottom here. You can't see that. So that's at the bottom. And that one also is coming up. Please tell me if that's normal. If that's normal, that's fine. But both of my inserts for the B6, these are from Jasinia's Printables, and so many people use them. So I know I didn't like mess them up. It's not some like terrible cut job because I have cut both. I mean, trimming them down isn't a big deal if I have to. But let me know, is that normal to have it come up like that? Because I can only imagine when I start adding more stuff, it's only gonna get worse. Unless that's like normal. It could be very normal. Again, I am not a TN user. Well, I guess it's not like terrible. Let me kind of rotate it that way. There we go. That might actually be better. If I have it up, it's not as like pulled as if when I had it down. I would assume that's what it's supposed to be like. Yeah, I think it's okay. It is coming up a little bit, but yeah, because if I line that way, it is coming up just a smidge, but I think that's totally like doable. Oh my God, I love this already. Okay, yeah, and I got other stuff. Shiny object syndrome. Okay. Well, I guess I'll definitely tell if it fits with using these. So I got some pockets. Now, I have an A6 as well, and I actually ordered the wrong pockets. I'm an idiot. So I got secretarial pockets by accident for the little guy I have, which is also from Print Impressions, and I haven't set it up yet. I think I have an idea of what I want to do. Yeah, these fit perfect in here. Like, perfect. But I'm disappointed that it's the secretarial instead of full dashboard. I mean, I can order some, not the end of the world, but I kind of wish they were correct. Like, as in I ordered them correct. Because I'm assuming that's what I ordered. Yep. That is exactly what I ordered. But these ones I ordered the correct way because these are the ones that matter because these are my B6. And these are just good old-fashioned dashboards. I guess a true test will be how these fit in here because naturally this is their product. So let's push that down. I mean, that fits really well. So it could be a miscut. Although I guess when you bend it over, it does come up here and does come up here. So I'm assuming that's normal. I'm gonna go with that's normal. But boy, is this luscious. Yes, I guess I kind of did that on purpose. But I want to pop that over 1, 2. I think I have a couple inserts. Good thing about this is, oh yeah, I got rings too. Let's see, somewhere. I ordered some rings because I have shiny object syndrome. Sure did. I got these off Amazon and I'll link them below. Yes. Okay, I'm okay with these. Okay, I watched Erica's video. I know how to install them. I think. So it was 2 inners come in. So this and this one just go on the inside. Close these, and then these guys crisscross. Bam! I got it. Thank you, Erica, for being an awesome teacher. And then gonna adjust these so they look pretty. Yeah, it totally works. Oh my gosh, I am living for this. Like, even putting these rings in. Oh, these rings, there's a way, I know you're supposed to open them that way, but I mean, you can't really close them that way. I know you have to be careful with rings, otherwise they get spaces, but like, look how luscious this looks. And then put that over it. Again, the closure is not too tight, and I know that is a huge problem, but it looks like they fixed it because I've been watching the Facebook group and people are saying that they haven't had an issue. So I am A-okay with that. And let's see, I want to put another one of these in here. I mean, let's be real here, I'm about to go set it up. I just need to end the video and just go do my own thing and have so much fun with this. All right, thank you for watching this very uninformative video about my haul. Got 4 dashboards in the B6, which is the number 5, and I got the ballerina number 5, which is also a B6, white stitching all around, and I am so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.